Children, now let's do one more interesting activity. I will show you some incomplete sentences with alternatives. It is about the facts about lions. You have to choose the correct one. Lions are called Dash of the Jungle, Emperor, Lord, King. King! Lions belong to the Dash family of animals. Cat, dog, horse. Cat! Lions are Dash animals. Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. Carnivores! Dash lions have a mane around their neck, but lioness do not have it. Cub, male, female, male. A group of lions is called a dash. Flock, herd, pride. Pride. Lions attack only when they are dash. Tricked, awake, hungry. Hungry. Very good, children. Now let's revise the meanings of some difficult words from the lesson. Courteous, polite, bound by law, strictly forced to follow the laws. Clutches, tight hold. Coward, one who gets easily afraid. Flee, run away, escape. Piteously, in a piteous manner. Cautiously, very carefully. Moaned, made painful sounds. Whimpered, cried painfully. Distress, great trouble. Summoning up courage. Trying to be brave. Intention, purpose. Deftly, skillfully and quickly. Arena, a ground surrounded by seats on all sides for sports and other public event. Dismayed, sad. Ferocious, wild and dangerous. Put up a brave front. Show that one is not afraid. Moved by, have strong feelings.